Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank Satish sir, Swapna ma'am and Vijayalakshmi ma'am for giving me this opportunity to share my journey with Southern. It's been 5 years where the journey have been started. I'm Kirti from FN20 batch. I'm a entrepreneur, I'm a founder of Aharogyam too. It is a millet-based startup where we serve people millet-based snacks and healthy food to the all. And it was started in the year of 2024. Within the span of 7 months, we have started Dejo Rasa, which is an organic and natural store. It is a platform where customers can benefit directly from the farmers. Currently, we are dealing with 10 organic farmers. And coming to an introverted girl from a small town turning into a food entrepreneur is not just a path of cakewalk, but despite of all the odds, Southern have played a key role in my journey. And I have been to many activities and cultural events which was conducted during my college days. And I have also been to 10 days training program of ELIP, where it is an association where they promote lady entrepreneurs. And during the training program, the dignitaries have asked me to put my idea and aim on the chart. And that time when I explained what is my aim, all the dignitaries have appreciated in their own way. And from there, within a span of 2 years from then, it is like a dream come true where a 21-year girl entering into a pamphlet or a book which was released by them, and there was explaining about the success stories of entrepreneurs at the age of 21. It's not just a small thing for me. And now in this year, we are going to collaborate with the IIMR, which is an Indian Institute of Millet Research. And if you are a student who have big dreams and you want to do something to the world, and you are passionate about something, yes, you are in a right platform where you can use all your talent, where you can show all your efforts, and those will be a fruitful results. Thank you.